Hello dear comrades. Welcome to my channel. Have fun with coding.
Welcome to Comrade. This channel is all about thinking like a programmer, solving problems, building strong logic, and mastering Python and Django. We will start with real problem solving on HackerRank, then move towards building practical real-world applications. If you want to level up your coding skills and grow as a confident developer, you are in the right place. Subscribe, stay consistent, and let's code smarter together. Dear comrades, in HackerRank we will start from practicing SQL. So let's go. So in the SQL we can see it's a very easy query challenge. So let's go to solve challenge. Here the query line is saying that we have to find out all columns of all American cities in the city table with population larger than 1 lakhs, and the country code for America is USA, and here is the structure of the city table. So we can see that it has fields and types. Fields have ID, name, country code, district, and population. So let's go to the code. So here I can you can see that I can change my editor. So I will initially select MySQL, as I am confident and skilled in MySQL. I am also skilled in MS SQL Server. So first we will use the MySQL. Okay, so first we have to enter the code, and the code will be select star from city where country code is equals to USA, and the condition was population greater than 1 lakhs. Okay, so let's run the query. So you can see, congratulations, my code was successful. So let us submit the code. I have submitted it and successful. Okay, so I have earned 10 points, you can see, on SQL. So I have 80 marks more to achieve so that I can get a SQL badge. Thank you.
Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow coders. Stay tuned until next video. Goodbye comrades.